Are you ready to transform your energy in 2025? Welcome back to the Gratitude Warrior. Today we are taking a look into 3 of the top healing crystals. For 2025, you need to inspire growth, ignite passion, and awaken your intuition. So let's dive in. Malachite, the stone of transformation. First up is malachite, a stone of deep transformation and emotional healing. Its vibrant green swirls help release old patterns and protect against negativity. Use malachite when you're ready to let go of the past and embrace change. It's also perfect for activating your heart and solar plexus chakras. Carnelian, stone of motivation. Next, we have carnelian, the ultimate stone for creativity and confidence. Its fiery energy ignites your passions and boosts your motivation. Place carnelian near your workspace or hold it during meditation to align your sacral chakra and spark new ideas. Labradorite, the stone of intuition. And finally, labradorite, a crystal of intuition and spiritual awakening. This stone helps you tap into your inner wisdom and protects your energy. Perfect for the third eye and crown chakras, labradorite is ideal for meditation or carrying with you as a protective amulet. Subscribe to the Gratitude Warrior for more crystal tips and insights.